Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. I'm so glad you came over to our channel today. And if you are new to my channel, I want to introduce myself. My name is Teresa. Alright y'all, today's video is going to be a fun one. And I say that all the time, but I think DIY projects are fun. But this one, I'm going to take some things that I have acquired from yard sales. I'm going to take some paint and some new stencil sets that I have gotten. And I'm going to show y'all how we can upcycle a couple of tables that I found. And also how we can make some really pretty centerpieces out of something I think you'll be amazed at. So stay tuned and I hope y'all enjoy the video. If you haven't joined my Facebook home decor page, I'd love for you to go over and join it, and also go over and follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. Okay, the first project we're going to work on is going to be a patio table. Now, I purchased this patio table a few years ago at a yard sale, and I think I paid $5 for it. It started out on my front porch. My front porch, you will see a video coming out as soon as I get it done. The weather here in Alabama has been so iffy, so we're kind of behind on getting our porch makeovers done. But you'll see, it was kind of crowded on my front porch. So I decided I would love to use it up in my studio, and I just redid my studio, and I have a video on my reveal, and I'll link it down below. But I thought it would be a great way that I can stage and use this table upstairs in my studio more than on my front porch. So I took it outside and I just spray painted it. So I'm going to show you in just a minute some cute little centerpieces for it. So now I'm going to take this is a pot, and I think I did a haul on, this was in a yard sale haul that I did, but basically I went to a yard sale. This lady bundles up a lot of things, so y'all, I probably paid less than $1 for this. I love the little wooden handles on it. So I'm going to tape those off, and again, I've told y'all, when it's beautiful weather, I love to get outside and I love to paint, even if I'm chalk painting or I'm spray painting. So this day I'm doing a lot of projects where I can be outside, I can enjoy the sunshine, the beautiful weather, and I can also get some of my projects done. So I spray painted this with Rust-Oleum flat white. And then I took my painter's tape off my handles, and you can see how good it looks with those wooden handles kept, looking, the aged look that they had, because they had some great patina to them. So I have got a lot of new stencils, y'all. I'm going to have them all linked in my Amazon store, and the link will be in my description box. And also over on Instagram, I've got a really good system set up for all my links to all my social media and my Amazon store, so it's really easy to get to it off of Instagram also. But I just took one of my new stencils and I kind of trimmed off the top of it because it had a little excess in the plastic, so it fit on my pot really well. And I used burnt umber craft paint because I wanted a little bit more brown to come out, just to kind of enhance those wood handles, the brown in it. So I did my stencil in brown paint. So I'm just showing you, I'm going to style it in a minute with my table I just did, and it's going to make a great centerpiece. And I got these really pretty little lilac bunches at Dollar Tree, and I was also going to show you, they've also got these really nice foam squares. So and I know all Dollar Trees don't have the same thing, but I did look up on those at my Dollar Tree the other day. Now y'all have seen this glass jar if you watch my videos, each week. But I upcycled that glass jar in a couple videos back, and I put a vintage there we go, one of those stamps on it, crock stamps. So I'm just going to flip it around. I basically just spray painted the jar, and I just flipped it around, and now I'm going to put one of my new stencils on it. Y'all realize I love stenciling. So now I'm going to show y'all a little French country table. I purchased this table at a churchyard sale for $5. It was Bombay Company. I don't know if any of y'all, remember the Bombay Company, but they used to have a lot of, really pretty high-end looking furniture, and I think they've gone out of business now. But there was a sticker on the bottom, but you can tell back in the day it was really pretty, and then a lot of this cherry wood was really in style, and it's got some really nice sleek features. Well, again, I took it outside and I chalk painted it. This is after one coat. I ended up putting 3 coats on it, and I let each layer dry really well before applying the next one. Now here is another new stencil pack I got. Y'all, I'm in love with this honeybee, little shabby chic French bee, and I don't know why, because I'm scared to death of bees, but I don't know, I've bought some pillow covers like this, and I'm just kind of drawn to it. So I'm going to add one of the stencils to the top of this table just to give it that little French country flair, and I think it turned out really well. Now I stenciled it on with some black chalk paint, and it's Rust-Oleum. And I told you in my previous video, this chalk paint is not my favorite black chalk paint. I think I like the Waverly better because I think it's a little bit thicker for stenciling, but this is all I've got on hand right now. So this is a little table with the little honeybee on it. So now I'm just going to stage everything for you and just let you see how these real inexpensive pieces of furniture and these, repurposed pots and these glass jars that we got real inexpensive at the yard sale, what really pretty centerpieces they make for your tables. If you like this video so far, I hope you'll hit that like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd love for you to. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself. I also want to add this pillow cover is linked in my Amazon store, and also the chair is a redo, so I'm going to link that video down below also if you want to see how I upcycled the chair. And I also want to mention the table runner is a no-sew table runner. We made this with all hot glue. So I'm going to link that video down below if you want to go out and see how I made this little shabby chic table runner. My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. Okay, y'all, we are at the end of the video. So I want to wish each and every one of y'all a very nice weekend. I appreciate all of y'all for coming on and watching my video. And if you know anyone that you think would enjoy this video, please share it with your family and friends. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I love talking to y'all in the comments, so keep them coming. And I hope y'all enjoyed seeing all these little yard sale flips I did. Just remember, Decor does not have to be expensive, and we don't have to go to the high-end stores to buy things to make our homes beautiful. You can buy things that maybe people have on Facebook Marketplace. You can find them at thrift stores, yard sales, and with just a little bit of paint and some stencils, we have some really pretty decor that we made ourselves. So I hope y'all got lots of inspiration and ideas for your home. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all on Tuesday. Y'all, I'm doing a collaboration with one of my YouTube friends, so I'll be posting another video on Tuesday instead of Wednesday. See y'all then.